Is Apple finally giving the iPhone SE series the upgrade it deserves? Recent leaks suggest that the upcoming iPhone SE 4 could be the biggest redesign in the history of the budget-friendly lineup. With a new look, improved display, and advanced features borrowed from flagship models, this might be the perfect time for Apple to shake things up. But does it really live up to the hype? The most exciting part of the leak is the design change. For years, the iPhone SE models have stuck to older designs, but this time, things are different. The latest images reveal a matte black version of the device, giving it a sleek and premium feel. This move signals that Apple is aligning the SE series with its modern lineup, and for those who want a fresh look, this is great news. There are also strong rumors that a white variant will be available, offering users more choice. One of the biggest changes is in the display. Instead of using an outdated liquid crystal display, Apple is reportedly upgrading to a 6.1-inch organic light-emitting diode panel with a refresh rate of 60 Hz. This means better color accuracy, deeper blacks, and improved contrast, making everything from watching videos to scrolling through social media a more immersive experience. For a budget iPhone, this is a major step forward. The removal of the home button is another major shift. Apple has held onto Touch ID for years in the SE lineup, but now, it seems the company is ready to move on. The leaks suggest that the iPhone SE 4 will adopt a notch, replacing the fingerprint scanner with Face ID. While some users may miss the physical home button, Face ID is known for its security and convenience, making unlocking the phone even faster. Camera performance is another area where Apple seems to be making improvements. While it is expected to feature a single rear camera instead of the multiple lens setups found in flagship models, the quality could still see a massive boost. Reports suggest that Apple might introduce a 48-megapixel sensor, a huge jump from the 12-megapixel camera in previous SE models. A higher resolution sensor means sharper details, better low-light performance, and overall improved photography. If this turns out to be true, it would make the iPhone SE 4 one of the best budget camera phones Apple has ever released. Another interesting addition is the Action button. First introduced in the iPhone 15 series, this customizable button lets users assign different functions like launching the camera, turning on the flashlight, or activating silent mode. It is a small but useful upgrade that makes everyday tasks quicker and easier. However, one feature that seems to be missing is the camera control button, which is rumored to be exclusive to the iPhone 16 lineup. Despite these exciting upgrades, some important details remain unknown. Apple has not confirmed which processor will power the device, but many expect it to feature one of the company's recent chips for better speed and efficiency. Battery life is also a major concern. With a larger and more power-hungry organic light-emitting diode screen, will Apple increase the battery capacity to compensate? And of course, the biggest question is the price. The iPhone SE series has always been known for its affordability, so if Apple keeps the price competitive, it could be one of the best value smartphones on market. The leaks so far suggest that Apple is making big changes while keeping costs under control. With a larger and better display, Face ID, a powerful camera upgrade, and the Action button, the iPhone SE 4 is shaping up to be a major step forward. But is it enough to convince users to upgrade? Let us know what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech news. Stay tuned for more details as they emerge.